Hook, ever wondered how secure your vehicle is when you're not around? What if you could capture everything, inside and out, even when parked? Well, today we're diving into the BlackVue DR770X, a high-tech dashcam that offers 3-channel full HD recording, cloud compatibility, and a whole lot more. Let's see if this camera system delivers the peace of mind it promises. Quick intro. Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm your name from Autovated, and today we're talking about the BlackVue DR770X Box-3CH Pro 64GB. This dashcam setup comes with front, interior, and rear cameras to give you full coverage. But is it worth your hard-earned cash? Let's find out. Product overview. The BlackVue DR770X is a 3-channel dashcam system designed to capture everything around your vehicle. Powered by back-illuminated Starvis image sensors, the front, rear, and interior cameras offer full HD video quality, even in low-light conditions. The ultra-wide 180-degree infrared interior camera is a standout feature, giving drivers in taxis, ride-shares, and families peace of mind by covering every angle inside the cabin. The system is unique because it separates the micro SD card from the cameras, placing it in a separate compact box unit. This modular design helps with heat resistance and provides more flexibility when installing. It also comes with a parking mode, which activates when the vehicle's ignition is off. Perfect for those concerned about security while parked. Key features. 1. 3-channel full HD recording. Captures high-quality video from the front, interior, and rear cameras with exceptional performance in both shadow and highlight areas. 2. 180-degree infrared interior camera. Designed to give you full interior coverage with infrared for excellent clarity day or night. Ideal for rideshare drivers. 3. Separate recording unit box design. Keeps the micro SD card in a separate unit for security, avoiding the typical heat buildup in the main camera. 4. Parking mode and cloud compatibility. Automatically activates in parking mode when connected to your vehicle's fuse panel, plus the ability to view footage remotely through the BlackVue app. Real-world testing and usage experience. Installation of the DR770X was straightforward, especially with the included cigarette lighter adapter and hardwiring cable. The front camera fits neatly on the windshield, while the interior camera provides excellent coverage without being intrusive. I tested the infrared capability at night, and the video quality inside the cabin was crystal clear. The BlackVue app made setup and remote access a breeze. I could access footage, get real-time notifications, and even see my vehicle's location via GPS without any hiccups. The parking mode feature worked as expected, recording when I parked, and I was impressed with how seamlessly the app paired with the dashcam. Pros and cons. Pros. 3-channel coverage for maximum security. Ultra-wide interior camera with infrared for 24/7 surveillance. Modular design for better heat resistance and stealth. Seamless integration with the BlackVue app for remote access and live viewing. Includes both cigarette lighter and hardwiring cable for flexible installation. Cons. The front camera's small size may be an issue for users who prefer larger, more traditional dashcams. Cloud features require a Wi-Fi hotspot or optional LTE module for full functionality. Value for money. The BlackVue DR770X offers good value considering its advanced features like the 3-channel recording, cloud compatibility, and modular design. It's priced higher than some basic dashcams, but for the added peace of mind, remote access, and top-tier quality, it justifies the cost for those seeking enhanced vehicle security. Comparison. Compared to its competitor, the Thinkware U1000, the BlackVue DR770X offers a more compact design with the added benefit of the separate recording unit. While both cameras offer cloud features and full HD recording, the BlackVue has a superior infrared interior camera and better overall integration with the BlackVue app. On the downside, the Thinkware U1000 offers more customization options for video settings, but the DR770X is a more seamless, all-in-one solution. Midway CTA. If this breakdown is helping you stay on the road to informed decisions, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's keep the ride smooth with more reviews coming your way. Build quality and longevity. The build quality of the BlackVue DR770X is solid. The cameras themselves are small but durable, and the modular box unit helps in keeping things cool, literally. The heat resistance feature is a big plus, as overheating is a common issue with traditional dashcams. The 2-year warranty adds confidence, but with BlackVue's reputation, I'd expect this unit to hold up well over time. Customer support. I didn't need to reach out to BlackVue's customer support for this review, but the brand has a solid reputation for helping users with installation or troubleshooting. The user manuals are clear, and there are plenty of resources available on the BlackVue website. Who it's for. The DR770X is perfect for anyone looking for comprehensive vehicle security. Whether you're a commuter, rideshare driver, or someone just looking for peace of mind, it's especially great for those who want a discreet, heat-resistant dashcam system with remote access capabilities. If you're looking for a high-tech solution for full car coverage, this system is hard to beat. Conclusion. Strong option. If you value full, all-around vehicle security with cloud access and a reliable, easy-to-use app, the BlackVue DR770X is a standout in its class. It's one of the best choices for anyone looking to upgrade their dashcam system. Final CTA. Thanks for watching. You can find the links to the product in the description below. If you've already tried the BlackVue DR770X, drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, drive safe and stay autovated.